Hi, so you're an agent in New Jersey and you want to grow your business right away and right now. I'm going to show you a great program that we have. It's called the Realogy Military Rewards Program or Coldwell Banker Military Rewards Program. It's a program that allows members of the military or their family members to get a rebate or credit at closing. I'm going to show you how you can use this program, a simple way to start growing your business right now between now and the end of the year. So if you go to My CB Desk, there's an agent-generated referral link right there. On the lower right-hand corner, there are three dots. If you click on those dots and go to the Help Center, there's information about the program and ways to promote the program. There's an agent toolkit, and you just click on CBRB Military Rewards Program, and you'll see there's a link to a flyer, logo, schedule for how much that member is eligible for per price point. There's also a signature banner on there, and there's another flyer on there too, so you can pick one, you can add your information to it, edit it, and you'll be good to go. Now, where are you going to find your people to market for? And this is the key in New Jersey. We have an advantage here. If you go to a site to njactb.org, this is where all the tax records are housed for properties in New Jersey. Click on their menu button and you can go to the record search. A lot of you already probably use this site. I'm going to show you a cool feature on the site. If you go to county, and I'm going to do a sample search here for Passaic County, and then I'm going to go to Wayne because that's where I live. And so we're going to search properties in Passaic County and Wayne, which you've probably done before, and we're going to go to the advanced search, which opens up more fields up down here. And if you go to class and scroll all the way down to the bottom, there's an other exempt button. So this will tell us exempt properties in Passaic County and Wayne, New Jersey. And once we hit the search button, you'll see a lot of properties will pop up. And you'll notice some of those properties are local government-owned properties or state-owned properties. But if you scroll down, all of a sudden what you'll notice is there are privately owned properties that are listed there. Click on the More Information button, and lo and behold, what do you see? That tells you who a disabled veteran is or who's getting that veteran tax credit. They're not necessarily disabled, but that's how it's labeled on the tax site. So they're getting a tax benefit, which means that they are eligible for this program. But not only them, their family members are. So what a great way to promote this program and get more business in for yourself. Once you have this information, I'd go back to desk, print out a flyer, add your information to that flyer, and get it in the mail. Reach out to that client and see if they're interested in buying or selling a property, or if any of their family members are eligible for buying or selling a property or interested in it. They'll be eligible for the program, which is a great way to help grow your business. So that's kind of cool. What I also wanted to mention also is how that member gets their rebate or credit is you pay a referral fee on this kind of transaction. And it's a 30% referral fee, so I want to make sure that you all know that up front, but it's a great way to get in front of people that you know are eligible for this program and qualify for this, and have them appreciate what you're doing for them to grow your business. Now, once you find a person that's eligible for the program, you can go back to the desk again, that agent-generated referral link that we looked at before. Instead of hitting those three buttons in the corner, you're just going to click on that link. And this is where you can register that person for that program. There's a drop-down menu at the top. And what you'll do is you'll select the Realogy CB Military Rewards AGR. That's an agent-generated referral that basically says that you're putting that person into the program, and that person will be linked to you. You scroll down, enter as much information as you can for that person, hit that submit button, and you are good to go. If you ever have any questions, let me know. My number is 973-906-8591. I'd be happy to help you with this program or any of the other programs that we offer in lead generation. And please let me know how you make out. If this program and this idea is working for you, let me know. If you have any trouble or any questions about the program, reach out to me also. So good luck and have a great day.